Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you through how to make your first video using the Acapella app. Once you've downloaded the app from the App Store, go ahead and launch it. When you first open the app, there may be some tutorial bubbles that you can just tap to make them go away. Click this button here at the very bottom of the screen, the two microphones with the red background. Go ahead and click that. And then we are going to select Record New. Go ahead and tap that. Yes. We haven't upgraded to premium, but we probably will because there's a lot of amazing features. We're going to go ahead and select classic. And you can select square, you can select widescreen or portrait mode orientations for your screen. We're going to go through this one. Let's do 16 by 9. And let's select this 3 up here, on the second row. Since we haven't upgraded, we can't do anything longer than 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and just do 15 seconds for this. We're going to do the horn trio from Beethoven's Third Symphony, just me saying it. So let's go ahead and click the plus button in the top left box here. Hi! All right, the sound might be kind of trippy here because I'm getting the sound from my voice in the headset. We're going to look at this icon here on the bottom left, this blue 1/4-inch jack. And this is a particularly useful. I'm going to toggle the monitor off. This is a particularly useful feature for brass players or people that have loud instruments. You can adjust the input gain here to make sure that when you play loud, it doesn't fuzz out the sound of the mic, because the mic can't take it. So my recommendation is to play around with this and play something loud and make sure that your sound is okay at that loud dynamic before moving on. So in order to hear, you do have to have the toggle selected on. Let's go ahead and turn that mic gain down. Just to right about there. Okay, and you can select all these things like split right, split left to have which ear the metronome is coming out of, to select which ear the metronome is playing in. So now we're going to click the X in the left-hand corner to back out. And we are going to go over one more button before we record. This little left-hand corner underneath that last button, the little metronome button here. So I'm going to select that, and let's see. Bum 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 da 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 da. Sure, that's a little bit fast, but that'll be fine. And we're gonna select 1/4, so it's just giving us that bum 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 bum. Okay, great. Now we're gonna pause, and we're gonna make sure that this is toggled on, play tempo while recording, and we're gonna select the X button to back out again. Okay, let's do this. And it's good to get a little bit of lead time in. Here we go. It's gonna count down. Ba 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 ba. All right, now we're going to stop the recording. In order to stop and start the recording, you simply press the red circle in the bottom of the screen. Oh gosh, tap the screen to pause. Tap the screen to pause. All right, that's fine. And we're going to select the green check mark up here. Also, quick tip, you do have to have a headset or headphones to be able to use this app correctly. So now we're going to select the bottom left box, the plus, hi again. And then to record, we're going to select this record button, the red circle. Let's see if I can even pick the pitch up. All right, let's try it. This is just for the sake of an example, okay. All right, now we're going to... Okay, then stop the recording, select continue, and then you can listen back if you want. Okay, I'm sure that's fine. Then we're going to select the check mark. And if you want to send this out to someone else to record a part, you can do that as well. In other features, you can click the share button at the top to share it to someone else to finish the recording. But I'm going to go ahead and just do all 3 of them myself, so... Let's see if this is going to be so... Okay. I don't even know what pitches they are, so let's just go ahead. Here we go. Tap on the recording button. Here we go. All right, now we're going... Oh, wow. That was so confusing. Anyway, so that's the gist of this. And then once we're done... Okay, no, don't want to listen back to it yet. We're going to select the check mark here, and then it's going to render. And then the best part, which is saving it to your camera roll. So once we've done that, we're going to click the share button here at the top right, and we're going to continue with watermark because we haven't purchased the app. So look at these options here at the bottom of the screen. Select camera roll, and we're going to save it as a 720p video because we haven't bought the upgrade. And then it'll be in your camera roll, and you can post it to whichever social media platform you choose. Have fun with this, guys. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and drop me a question if anything was unclear. Thanks so much. Peace.